The Motorola Edge 80 Ultra 5G is shaping up as a true flagship powerhouse, combining top-tier performance, massive battery life, and professional-grade imaging to deliver an all-around premium smartphone experience. At its heart, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite processor, providing blazing fast performance for gaming, heavy multitasking, content creation, and demanding apps without any lag or stutter. Complementing this is a huge 9,000 mAh battery, which ensures long-lasting usage even under heavy daily tasks, while 120W fast charging allows the phone to regain a full charge in record time, minimizing downtime for users on the go. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 400MP main camera, capable of capturing breathtakingly detailed photos and videos in various lighting conditions, enhanced by Motorola's advanced imaging software for rich colors and sharp clarity. The device also features a 144Hz QHD+ OLED display, delivering silky smooth animations, vivid colors, and exceptional contrast, making gaming, streaming, and daily interactions a true visual delight. Beyond performance and visuals, the Edge 80 Ultra 5G is expected to offer a sleek, ergonomic design, high-quality build materials, and the latest connectivity features, positioning it as a versatile device for both work and play. With this combination of power, endurance, and advanced features, the Motorola Edge 80 Ultra 5G sets a high bar in the premium smartphone market and is poised to compete with the very best flagship devices of 2026.